Hi. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a colorful wooden dragon toy inspired by traditional Polish folk art, just like the dragons once made in southern Poland and decorated in the style of Zofia Stryjenska. It's flexible, fun to decorate, and full of character. Let's begin. Here's what you'll need. Materials: 5 small wooden cylinders, 4 cm long. Strong string, twine or wire, for connecting parts. U-shaped nails. Colorful felt sheets for wings, limbs, tongue, tail. Acrylic paints. Tools: a pad you can work on. Sandpaper. Hammer and pliers. Hot glue. Wooden block with small hole. Scissors, knife. Small brushes. And that's all. Let's get to work. Step 1. Assemble the dragon body. First, you need to connect the wooden segments together. Start with grinding the wooden cylinders with sandpaper to smooth out sharp edges. Check all the parts. When it's ready, hammer the U-shaped nails into 4 cylinders. And the second one. Two cylinders should have nails on both sides. To hammer the nail on the second side, use the wooden block with hole as support. And we have nails on both sides. The same with the second part. Two other cylinders should have nails on one side only. And the last one. So remember, 2 cylinders with nail only on one side. And here they are, all the parts together. Look at nails. From the last cylinder we will make dragons more, which is a bit complicated. Cutting one wooden part for creating more can be a bit dangerous. So be careful. Check how the grain of the wooden piece runs and cut it in the middle, along the visible lines. Just like that. And connect it with another part, cylinder with one nail, with hot glue. Now connect all the pieces with twine. Not too tight. You want the dragon to bend and move like it's slithering. and the basis looks like this. Step 2. Add felt details. Now it's time to add your dragon's features. Cut out zigzag feet, long tail, forked tongue, and wings from felt. Glue them securely to the wooden segments. Step 3. Paint the wooden segments. Start by painting each wooden piece in colors. You can decorate all the pieces the same, or give each one its own look. Use patterns inspired by folk art, dots, lines, zigzags, flowers, or flames, or anything you want. Use dot painting for small decorative details. Let the paint dry completely. And you're done. And that's it, your folk-style wooden dragon is ready to come to life. Play with it, display it, or give it as a handmade gift. Every dragon is unique, just like the one who made it. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.